G'day Team Tech, Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews, back with another video, and today we're having a quick look at the Canon 24mm, it's the EFS 2.8 aperture lens. So look, I am not a photographer, I'm amateur, but I'm just going to share with you, quickly unbox it, let you see it for what it is, and I'll take a few photos as well and drop them in the video as well. Without further ado, let's get started. So here we go, here's the box, Canon EFS 24mm f2.8 with a stepping motor, which I've got some others with stepping motor and I do like them, they're nice and quiet. Actually the lens I'm filming on is a Canon 10 to 18mm lens, and it does have a stepping motor and you can't hear any lens focusing in and out, so they definitely work really well. I got this for $2.29 from the Camera Warehouse. Link will be down below. So you get your book, your manual. Then what else we get in the box? Warranty card and the lens itself. You know, I was really stoked to get this. It's 24mm, which is 38mm equivalent. I did want to do some filming video work with this lens for my phone reviews. I wanted about 35mm, and this is the closest I could get to true 35mm. So 24mm times 1.6 puts it in at about 38mm. So here we have it, Canon EFS 24mm. It's plastic outside, steel connector to connect to your camera, so that's good. That's going to add some sturdiness to it. It does have a little bit of weight to it as well, which I'm happy with. And there we have the lens itself. So f2.8. So I'm just going to quickly stop the video, put this on, and you'll see the difference. Now I'm currently, if I sit here, I'm about 1 foot from the camera. I know, it doesn't seem like it, but I'm 1 foot from this camera. This is the 10 to 18mm EFS lens. So now I'm going to swap over to the Canon EFS 24mm fixed at f2.8. Okay, so this is the difference between the lenses. So before, the 10 to 18mm was 1 foot away, so it was that far away from me. Now that's about 1.5 meters away, and I've still got to crouch down to get in the picture, but you can see it's a lot brighter. I even had to pull down the ISO from 800 to 400 to get it not so bright. It's still too bright, but that's at f2.8, and this one was sitting at about f5. So big difference in the video. I'll go take some photos as well, and we'll see how we go. Alright folks, that's it. That's the Canon 24mm f2.8 lens. I hope you liked my little comparison video. Like I said, I'm not a photographer. I do like taking photos, but I wouldn't say I'm a photographer. Let me know what you think. I recommend the Canon 24mm. I think those photos justify its price. It's a great little lens. If you're an amateur photographer and you've got an APS Canon camera, then go out and get this and have some fun with it. I can't see you having any problems. If anything, you're going to love it. Pretty much that's it, everyone. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for being a part of my channel. Hit the like button and the subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. Check ya!